what I'm saying is that technically, by birth, everybody knows how to swim. It's just our fear holding us back.
Yes.
We need to let go of the fear.
वाह 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 क्या बात करी है.
That-
So
Good morning, guys. Say good morning.
Good morning.
तेरी तो कुछ और ही चल रही है. Say good morning.
I am just setting my hair without a comb.
पैसा लगेगा. Today is a sunny day, as always. हम जा रहे हैं Sorrento to dive with the dolphins, and हमें में से किसी को स्विमिंग नहीं आती है. On a scale of 10, how confident are you?
मैं तो गया हूँ डीप पानी में तो.
कितने दूँ?
I think I am 1 on 10.
1 on 10. And I am 1.5 on 10. Which might increase to 2. Let's see how we go. अब नेक्स्ट पानी में जाऊंगी तो थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस आने के बाद ही जाऊंगी.
तब तो तू गई भी नहीं थी.
तब तो मैं पानी में.
हाँ, exactly. That's what. So I had promised myself that I will go when I'm confident enough to go now. So I think it's fulfilled.
I am just really excited because the day is sunny and
Sunny after so long.
not so long. अभी तो बढ़िया sunny था. ऐसे मत ले मुझे मेरे से आलतू फालतू मत.
So what?
हाँ.
Sunny after 2 days.
Sunny after 2 days, but it's summer and yeah.
Summer.
Let's go.
We don't have all day. We are already running on a tight clock. I need my sunglasses. You need your sunnies.
Yeah, I need my sunnies.
It's okay. We are just going inside. So time for matcha.
So I'm running towards it.
We are already running on a tight clock.
चलो get ये. We made it. They're boarding.
Yeah.
So what I want you to do, guys, is just take a shoe off
Yep.
and line up on one of these foot things here. Settle हो जाते हैं.
Thank you. Question about those light tabs. Can we use them?
Yeah. If you need one.
Yeah.
Like we don't know how to swim actually.
No, that's alright. Do you know how to kick yourself before?
Yeah.
A little bit.
If you don't know how to kick yourself afloat, you can't go in. It's too
Okay.
dangerous for us and for everyone else.
Okay.
Even with two jackets.
If you can kick yourself afloat with the jackets and you know how to swim
Yeah.
by yourself, then
Yeah.
that's fine.
बहुत अच्छा करा बेबी अब आपने कट गया हमारा.
अफ्लोट का मतलब क्या है भाई? वो तो लाइफ जैकेट के साथ तो ऊपर ही रहते हैं.
तो सिर्फ अब निखिल जा रहे स्विमिंग करने का.
बेसिक हाथ पैर ही मारने हैं.
मुझे नहीं आते बेसिक. आपने मुझे स्विमिंग पूल में देखा है.
साथ ही नहीं आला
तो आप मेरे साथ चल लेना.
उसने कहा इट्स टू डेंजरस.
for us to handle. उसने कहा for us.
We didn't get to see any dolphins, but I'm pretty happy that I went out into the water and I enjoyed it. Guys, on a scale of 10, what would you rate it now?
मैंने तो कॉन्फिडेंट ही बोला था.
अब क्या मतलब will you recommend it to a non-swimmer? नहीं, zero. Come only when you're comfortable with water. It's a little scary. Be comfortable with the water, but it's fun. Now I will rate my confidence level 3 out of 10.
मेरा तो अभी भी 1 ही है.
Yeah, you need to practice. And now I need to put lots of sunscreen on myself because the UV index is very high today. I have skin issues, moisture barrier issues.
सारे दुनिया के इश्यूज यही के होते हैं.
Yeah, वो भी फर्स्ट टाइम ऑस्ट्रेलिया से वापस जाने के बाद पता चला था.
मोशन सिकनेस इसको है.
हमें साइड में चलना चाहिए. हाँ, पानी का निकाल रही हूँ ना मैं अपना डर. पहले I was scared of water as well. Great Barrier Reef में I didn't even step into the water. Like I just went and I sat. I didn't even try. Oh yeah, I tried.
only drawback मैं बताती हूँ इस वाले का ये था.
Yeah, the drawback was there was no permanent fix.
No, fixture वाली fixture is a different thing. The swim time was less because
Very less.
because by the time you are going in the water, coming back, and if you want to go again, time is up.
Yeah. So, you know, as soon as we stopped, he said you want to go sooner rather than later because we won't stop for a very long time and all of that. Whereas for Great Barrier Reef, we were there for like good 2 hours. Yeah. And also because over there I was not in the water, so I was constantly like, let's go back. It's so long. Also, my hair is back into its natural setting, which is beach waves. Time to go where? To the beach. The day doesn't end until we have this. Second try is needed. Hold on, guys.
मुझे फ्रेश नहीं लग रहा क्योंकि बहुत सॉफ्ट होना चाहिए लेमन.
It's not fresh, but the flavor is very good. Like compared to the one we had earlier, this one is way better. Time for the next dessert. Black Forest cheesecake. Banger, guys.
ये गाड़ी देखो.
Go on, treat yourself. You're in Sorrento.
ये ठुल्ला है.
Next stop is Bay of Islands. Let's go. But it's looking very pretty. Wow. Oh. 10 on 10 सबको स्नेक दिखा तो तू नहीं गई कभी वहाँ पे? Why risk it?
नहीं यहाँ पे कोई बड़ी बात नहीं.
I know. यहाँ तो सब स्पाइडर्स एंड ऑल भी घरों में बहुत कॉमन है, लेकिन हमारे थैंकफुली घर में नहीं है. बे ऑफ आइलैंड राइट, बट लुक आउट इज लेफ्ट.
तो लुकआउट चलते हैं.
तो ये कश्मकश पक्का लुक आउट. चलो. एंड नॉट टू मच ऑफ अ हाइक. विल्सन्स प्रॉम फिर बहुत सारी कार्डियो प्रैक्टिस के बाद जाएंगे. यार बट उसका कांस्टेंट है थ्रू आउट ऑल सीजन्स. वो एक ही आवाज निकाल रही है.
Our way of expressing pain in the show. और उससे काफी ज़्यादा मिलती है.
Rain. Oh, still a long way to go, but pretty. करके दिखाइए निया स्टेफन. हम तो माउंट सेंट पॉल आ गए लुकआउट की जगह.
जहाँ सन बिल्कुल ही पीछे है.
I don't know. You tell me. I'm absolutely ready to become a curly hair girly now.
Now या फिर in general?
Now. मेरे को curly hair products लाने पड़ेंगे.
Curly यूज कर रहे हैं. हमारा कंडीशनर curly.
सिर्फ कंडीशनर ना, बाकी सब नहीं.
उसी का बीन का ही शैम्पू ले आएंगे.
But as you can see, my official hair is curly. But मुझे तो
खबर तक नहीं थी इस बात की. With that, we're off and done for the day, heading home.